So I'm in my garage. I'm getting ready to start on a little project boat. I'll show you here. I don't know if you can really see it or not. I'll shine a flashlight. Yeah, you can't really tell. There's some cracks right along here, some cracks right along here. Some Gorilla Tape, some Flex Seal, a couple cans of Flex Seal here. And I'm going to Flex Seal around there. I'm going to tape it and then put some Flex Seal, probably spray on around all the rest of the edges. So that's kind of the start of my little fixing up on this little project boat I got. Pretty cheap. Went and got the title today, so I'll have it licensed probably tomorrow. Probably go get it licensed tomorrow. State of Kentucky, anything that's got a trolling motor on it, anything that ain't self-propelled, you have to get a stinking license for. So that's Kentucky for you. Well, my GoPro, it stopped, my SD card filled up. I got a cheap SD card. I need to get me another one. Anyways, this is the finished product. Put some of this tape here. Excuse my mess. I got everything strode around. But I put this Gorilla Tape here. Across the front, there was a couple of cracks there. And then the cracks that was right through there, I put some of this stuff, Flex Seal or Flex Paste. I put that, filled that joint up with that right there, and then I took and sprayed Flex Seal all in the joints all the way around, and then just kind of coated the side of the boat. You know, there's no other way to, I couldn't hillbilly it out if I didn't. So I filled up that little, I filled that up pretty good. I don't know if you can, yeah. So I filled it up pretty good. So I'm not sure. I mean, it's got to work better than how it was, so we'll find out. It's kind of cold, so it's probably going to take a minute to cure, but either way, there's my little project boat. Next to be me probably rigging it out, putting depth finders on it, all kinds of cool stuff, tracks, cup holders, rod holders, all that jazz. So hang in there with me, and we'll have this thing on the water before you know it, fishing, catching some 7-pounders.